Paste any ASIN and get an entire strategy. The ASIN Analyzer reveals what Amazon hides: buyer behavior. There are 6 main sections of the ASIN Analyzer. You have competitive analysis, strategic recommendations, market insights, profitability analysis, launch strategy, and comprehensive analysis. Today, we'll do a deep dive into the competitive analysis. The competitive analysis comes with things like market position, top competitors, competitive gaps, strategic recommendations, market insights, and AI recommendations. Here in market position, you can see your position in the niche as a contender. This means that you're on an equal fighting basis with other competitors for the product. You have a 19.6% market share and you have a 54% competitive advantage. Moving forward, we have a top competitors section, which shows the top competitors in the specific niche. We have their strengths, their weaknesses, click share that they have, their rating, their price, and their score. If they're beating the niche, you know they're optimizing their listing. If they're below average, that's a weakness you can exploit. As we can see here, the high competition in the product means that you should stay away from this product because there are already too many people fighting for it. In 10 seconds, you know if your listing is desirable, if buyers prefer your competitor or you, and exactly where you need to improve on your product. As we can see here, we have strategic recommendations that ScalePilot gives you for your niche and how to improve your niche. Analyze all your products or your competitors instantly. Try ScalePilot.